Hi everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to share with you a design team project for KScraft Lover Store. And the theme of my video is layered tags. So I'm just going to share with you the products I used. I used a card from this set and I share with you all the cards in the set. I used lots of tickets from these sticker tickets, and they are stickers. I used mini butterflies from this package of butterflies. There's still plenty for me to use. And then I used stickers from this set, and I did go over all the different stickers. There's 4 pages of stickers. And then I used twine that looks like this, and you get a lot on a roll. So I'll link those products in the description box below. So now I'm going to share with you the dies. These dies are designed by Nicole Silhouette here on YouTube, and they're fabulous. Love the tags. So here is my first set of tags. Love this butterfly tag. It's so gorgeous. I used both tags, and here is my layered tag. Really, really cute. I love how it turned out. So as you can see, this is the sticker butterfly. I did put the sticker down on some cardstock and I cut it out. And then here are the tickets. And then here's the sticker from that sticker package. And I just put love this. And that's how it turned out. And here's the twine. So you can do layered tags. I love the concept of layered tags. They are really fun to just pop them up and layer. And I popped them up on foam tape. Okay. That's how it looks. Alright, my next layered tag is with this set right here. And I just used 2 of the nesting dies to make my layered tag. And it comes like this. And I just used the sticker Sweet. And this is the butterfly from that sticker set of butterflies. And then 1 ticket. And then some stickers. A sticker heart, and I put another sticker, I think this was like from my heart stash, just to put with the word sweet. So love how that turned out. The next one comes from this set. I only used 2, the big one and the smallest, or yeah, the smallest one. So this is how this one turned out. And I used lots of stickers, and then 1 butterfly and 1 ticket and the word love. And so that's how that one turned out. Really love that one. And lots of foam tape on this one. Okay, the next one I used some gold thread. And this is the set of dies. And I just put lovely, and this is how it turned out. And I used 1 ticket. So love how that one came about. Okay, and then the next one is this one, and I just used 2 of the nesting tags, and I used some gold thread and 1 ticket and the word fearless. So really love how that one turned out. And again, the butterfly is on some cardstock because they're stickers, and so is the ticket. It's a sticker, so I had to put it on some cardstock, as well as the fearless, because I wanted to pop it up. So there's that one. Okay, the next one, and this is the last one. It comes on this one, and I used just 1 little card from the card set, and I just put summer flowers, and I just popped it up. So not too much embellishment there, but still looks really pretty. And I used 2 different tags. So this is the tag, and then this one right here is the other one that I use for the center of the tag. So that's my project share. Hope you were inspired by all my layered tags. Again, I'll link them in the description box below if you would like to pick some up or copy anything that I did in this video. So take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.